Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learnverse. Today our topic is JOSA counseling procedure and with what mindset and with what inputs you have to go through the process of JOSA counseling. I am your senior and I completed first year from IIIT Bhubaneswar. I have experienced all these procedures of JOSA counseling last year and you can believe me 100% about all the details I share with you in this video. So let's get started with the video. At this point, every student will have lots of doubts in their brain about the JOSA counseling and about the priority order they wanted to keep in the counseling for mock rounds. And the common doubt that all the students have in their brain is they have to select branch first and accordingly the college, or they have to select the college first and accordingly the branch. Now, I will sort you the solution for this problem. Okay. See, you have two options in front of you. Select either choose branch or either choose college. So first, if you're interested in any of the branch like computers or electricals or mechanical or civil, some students are interested in computers domain and they wanted to come to computers, and some are interested in electrical, and respectively they are interested in certain branches. Then I suggest you to guarantee choose the branch and go to the respective college that you are eligible for your rank. Go to option one. And the remaining students who are not particular about their branch, who are not interested in any of the particular domain, and for suppose they have a dream college or they have aim for a college at the starting, then they can choose option 2. I suggest option 2 for those students who are not particular or who are not interested in, but who does not have a particular interest in any domain or any branch. Let's sort out this with an example which makes us easy. If somebody, for suppose, got 29K rank in JEE mains and he have an interest in computers only, so he can choose CSE branch and respectively he can choose the college that he is eligible for his rank. Let us take the another case of option 2. A guy is interested in NIT Calicut college. He is aiming for NIT Calicut itself. So he can choose the NIT Calicut college and keep accordingly the priority order, and then he can go to the branches he is eligible for that for his rank. So I hope you all understand how to keep your priority order in JOSA counseling. So let's get on with the Excel sheet, which is the major part of our video. I bought this information from various sources of Google and ChatGPT. Let's continue with the headings and filters and institute types and academic programs. These I'll cover in last. Let's complete from quota. Quota in JOSA counseling is of 5 types. That is Goa, home state, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, and other state quotas. Set the filter accordingly that you are eligible for, so that makes the Excel sheet smaller and easier for you to view. If you are if you are of Goa state, then you can select Goa. If you are of Jammu and Kashmir or Ladakh regions, then you can select accordingly, and you can select home state for the NITs that are present in your state, and you can select other states for the NITs and that are present in the other states. And let's jump to C type. And C type is generally the categories such as EWS, OBC, Open, SC, and ST categories. You can select them accordingly of your category and set the filter, which is easy. And gender is also 2 types, female and neutral gender. You can select this easily. And now the opening ranks are sorted from smaller to largest, which makes the person who is viewing the Excel sheet easier to search his rank in this Excel sheet. And now let's jump to institute type and academic program. As I have told you before, if you wanted to go through the option 1, that is you wanted to choose the branch name, then you can sort the filter here and choose only the branches you are interested in and set the filter. Or if you wanted to go through the option 2, you can sort the colleges you wanted to go and the filter will be applied to the Excel sheet, which makes you easy. I divided this Excel sheet into 4 sheets, that is NITs and triple ITs. First 2 sheets consist of NITs and next 2 sheets consist of triple ITs. Sheet 1 consists of first round of NITs and sheet 2 consists of last round of NITs. Sheet 3 consists of first round of triple ITs and sheet 4 consists of last round of triple ITs. These all will be applicable to all the sheets and you can do it accordingly. Now I gave this color coding to all the sheets accordingly, as you have heard that tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 exist according to the placements and the salaries that companies offer on campus and the campus life, campus infrastructure, etc. So I also have researched about all these colleges through some resources in Google and divided these into 3 tiers. And I gave green color for tier 1 colleges and orange color for tier 2 colleges, yellow color for tier 3 colleges, as you can see here. I gave these color gradings to all the sheets, all the 4 sheets. So now I will explain this with an example so that you can use this Excel sheet more productively and easily. Let us take our previous example of 29K rank and let me set this quota to other state. You can set this accordingly to your state category and this seat type to open category, and this also you can set this accordingly to your category, gender to neutral. Now all the NITs actually, I'm sorry, all the NITs are now sorted accordingly to my filters and from smallest to largest. Now let me search my rank of 29K and here's all the colleges below this row are eligible as their rank is 29K and above that. So I am eligible for all the colleges below this rank. And you can do that similarly to sheet 2, sheet 3, and sheet 4 so that you can get all the list of all the colleges so, of your eligibility. And also, there is an important notice that make sure you include all the colleges that you are interested in, and the cutoff boundary is 10,000 above and below your JEE mains rank in the order of best to worst, so that you will get the best college of your. The link of this Excel sheet is given below in the description box. You can go and check there. And as you are all free for the next 3 months, you can learn any one of the language which is useful for you before you go join the college. Most of them learn C and Python because they are easy languages as compared to the other languages. And we have C language tutorials in our YouTube channel. You can go check it there. And some videos are getting ready. You can stay tuned for those videos in our channel. And please comment if you have any queries or doubts in JOSA counseling process. We will respond for every comment given in the below. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you feel the video and Excel sheet are useful. Thank you.